If you are worried about tagging on Facebook, then in this video I will show you how you can stop your friends or any public user to tag you on Facebook. So for that, just open your Facebook account and just click on your profile and go to your settings. When you are on your settings, scroll down and here you will find an option with profile and tagging. Just simply click on this profile and tagging. Now scroll down and here you can see the option called reviewing. So first one, review tag people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So you have to turn this on. And also at the bottom you can see an option called review posts you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So these two options you have to turn these options on. So what will happen when anyone tag you on Facebook, either it's your friend or anyone from public, then you will get a notification and it's up to you that you allow or not that tag. So these are the two options. You must turn this on. Whenever you turn these options on, no one can tag you without your permission, either it's your friends or anyone from public.